Hey guys, we have a final four. We're now at the final fours of Big Brother. And guess who's head of household? That's right. If you saw it last night, you know it is Taylor, America's favorite player. That's right. She is America's favorite player, but the question is, who's going to be on finale night with Taylor? Will it be Monte? Dun, 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 her showmance, her bedmate? Will it be Turner, the stinky guy with a bad dye job? Will it be Brittany, the woman who wants to be a mom and who thinks she deserves to win because, and the hypnotherapist who betrayed her so called final two? Well, what we do know, spoiler alert, Brittany and Turner are on the block. Now, who's going to win that veto? Do we care? Because I know there's a lot of talk about, the different scenarios. But here's something that I wanted to pose. I think that no matter who goes to the final two, that Taylor should be in that chair. Because I feel like it's a win-win for Taylor no matter what. If she wins first place, great. If she wins second place, great. If she wins America's favorite player and second place, great. The reason why I say it doesn't matter if Taylor wins first place. That's what I'm saying. It doesn't matter. Because what the world will open up to Taylor when she gets out of the house, and this isn't a video about game strategy. Well, it kind of is. But when she gets out of the house, she's going to win. She's going to win regardless. She's going to have brand partner deals. Not just Lay's. They say she has a Lay's deal or Lay's is pursuing her. Lay's should, because all season long it's been product placement of Lay's potato chips. She's been seen holding a bag, and because I have an advertising background, though she didn't always have the bag, the logo facing forward, she was always holding that Lay's bag in a very suspicious product placement way. Like, she has been trained to hold that bag a certain way. So it could be deduced that she might already have a brand deal with Lay's, or CBS had a brand partnership with Lay's and Taylor was the one who was going to hold the bag. But anyhow, so outside of the house, I feel like Taylor is going to get brand deals, whether it be beauty deals, whether it, like she might be a hair model, like for some hairlines. And I'm not talking L'Oreal, because, a lot of people go into the house to become stars, to, blow up. And very few of them become stars and blow up. Like, we have the racist Erin Greaves. She came on to be a star. She's a star on YouTube with like over 300,000 followers doing her mommy vlog. Then we have the Jeffs of the world who, is actually on like one of those daytime shows as a co-host. So, he's doing things. And we have like some other people who've done some things in entertainment. We have, Tiffany, who's still like pushing. She's now on the blog, The Winner Circle. I don't know where that's going to take her, but you can tell that she really wants to be a star or a celebrity, if you will. Then we have Hannah on another blog. They really want to use their voice. So we'll see where that goes. But I feel like Taylor is in a position, because she was the underdog all season, she's in a position to have greater gains than just winning $750,000. So she is in a good position in general. Even if she doesn't make it to the final two, she's still in a good position. She's going to have beauty brands, fitness brands, everybody coming at her when she gets out. So I think she would be an attractive person to take the final two. Now, Brittany, on the other hand, she can kick rocks. Like, Taylor is better than me, because I would be paying her so much dust right now. Like, don't come up to me. You voted me out. So don't come up to me strategizing on what we need to do next. No, you voted me out. Because the turn of events was Alyssa ended up leaving out. She just wanted Monte to show his hand. But we already knew where his hand was. Down below with Taylor. That's where Monte's hand was. Around Taylor's neck, around Taylor's back, let me stop. I'm going to a place we don't need to go. But so now Brittany wasted that vote for the outcome to be that Taylor stayed. So to me, I'm like, I pay you dust. You get nothing from me. If anything, I would make her feel so isolated this week. But I know Taylor's trying to be strategic because she's a nice girl. You know, she's the politically correct girl. She's been prepped by beauty pageants. She knows how to play that game. So she's being nice to her. But Turner, on the other hand, is mad at her, which he should be, because Brittany tried to play Turner. Like, really, you know. But what do you think? Who should be in those final two seats? Who would you like to see win the veto this week? Like and subscribe.